Hello there, this is Cuffaro. I'm doing a meet and greet on June 12th and the 13th. I repeat, meet and greet. Get your tickets, top link in the description. I'm going to be selling exclusive merch only sold there, just like the boot shirt, and then a bunch of PC Pokemon decks that all are guaranteed a reverse holo or holo card inside. Make sure to be there, top link in the description. Enjoy the video.
What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. We're starting it off in the second house, and yeah, lots getting done. This house is absolutely destroyed. The floors, at least one room is done. So much going on. There's a wall there. Yeah, this is all gonna be on the vlog channel, so if you're not subscribed to the vlog channel, definitely go subscribe. It's down below in all the descriptions of every video. I mean, we literally rebuilt this entire house, and those episodes will be dropping very shortly. Before we get into today's title and thumbnail here, I did a little bit of snorkeling yesterday, and y'all know I like to show you everything, and this was super dope. So towards the end of all the seaweed rushing in, and we saw some really cool stuff. Last time we were netting above, this time we're going in. The water's not the clearest, but it'll do. Let's see what we can find. This right here is like fresh seaweed. This, no bueno. I think that's why we're not having much luck, but it's still beautiful down there. And it's always fun to get a nice snorkel in. From the second house, the one we just got, this is literally like a 5-minute drive, which is just crazy. We're gonna be able to do so many videos once we officially start doing stuff over here. This tree right here, 100% has some snapper under it. Up under here is probably gonna have some fish. So I'm gonna try to get under there. Dude, it's dark under there. Really, really dark, too dark. This definitely could have saved a sea turtle. Think about it, this looks just like a jellyfish floating in the water. It's no longer in the ocean. And we got a party boat. That was a fun little afternoon sesh. It's probably good enough for me today. Let's officially now get into today's video. Now that we're back from that, we can officially go to the farm and feed the animals. Not only feed the animals, but catch a pacu out of the pond.
That's it, that's it, that's it.
And really see how big these things got. Not only how big they got, have you ever seen a pacu in general? Like out of the water, the teeth and everything, it is the coolest fish on earth. We actually do end up going fishing for one of those fish at the end of this video as well. So stick along, stay tuned, enjoy the video. I just wanted to open it up here at this house. It's a mess. Look at the toilet. Subscribe. Woo, woo. What's your shout out, Gary? You gotta really throw it.
I'm gonna eat.
What the heck was that, dude? Turtle, look at the turtle. Look at the turtle trying to come up and eat. Oh, dude, you're getting crushed by ducks. And pond is filled up now, by the way. As you can see, it's fully filled up. It looks great when it's filled up like this. Ducks are eating. I'm gonna give them an extra scoop though. Now, goat food. Take a nice scoop of this, but we're not gonna feed them quite yet. We gotta feed zombie apocalypse pigs real quick. Hello, everyone. And turkey. The other day, we left one of the bins open, and there was a bunch of little mice in it when I woke up in the morning. Yeah, like a bunch of little mice. I released them up in the grass over here, but I got footage of it.
Well, I left this open last night. I went to go pick up this cup, and inside the cup was all these little tiny mice. Look at them all. They're like little babies. Dude, those things are so cute. Oh my goodness. I don't want my dogs catching you, so go, run, run. Goodbye, little mice.
Pretty cool. You should have eaten them.
What?
You should have eaten them. Dropped them in the frying pan and eaten them with some chili Thai sauce.
Well, all right.
Feast it up. Oh, gosh, Boots. Boots, Boots, come here. Speaking about you, sheesh. That's Boots on the tower.
That boy's dripping.
New merch dropped. Top link in the description. Boots merch is live. I gotta feed the goats. They're like flustered at me right now. Come back, grab the goat food.
Oh yeah.
There you go, goats.
Just eat it.
Eat up. Little baby. What up, little baby? Hey, buddy. I got the pigs last night, some new coastal hay. And this is what they did of it. I just left the bale there and they make it like a bedding. Dips inside all of it that they sleep in. This is Suzanne the turkey. Hi Suzanne. It's great to meet you. What's up, big girl? Lady May in the house. Oh geez, big boy's coming out now. That's Mango. Look at that. Those two will eat. Those things are so annoying. I'm not gonna lie.
Why?
Because they get out every other day, they jump this fence. I'm not kidding, they jump this fence. Why do you need these pallets right here? Yesterday? You know, I chased this pig for like 45 minutes yesterday morning at like 7 in the morning. And then I grabbed him and he was like, 7 in the morning.
It was like what?
My poor neighbors.
It was
You need to lower it to the duck pond, lower it more towards this. This is literally what fills up that pond over there and the duck pond. That's what keeps them filled. As the water evaporates and goes into the soil, those hoses are pumping more well water right into the pond. So it's constantly fresh water going into both of these ponds, and that's why everything stays so lively and fresh and thick. Unfortunately though, my electric bill is like $700 a month.
That's why they gotta buy the merch.
Are you, now you, Bowl, you. And he likes to just kind of play. I would say play. We're gonna need to dump food and then go catch the fish before he's finished eating and comes up and just goes and throws us in the pond. Food is down.
Let's catch this thing, baby.
Got the rod, got the chum, which was what we tried to catch him with last time, and bread. Open up the gate. We gotta go. Don't let that cow stop eating. All right, this is it. This is the moment of truth. We're rolling. Rolling on the goey?
We're rolling on the goey.
Just like this, all these pacu are gonna start showing up. Once the pacu come, you'll start seeing bigger boils. So the plan is Ryan and I brought bread this time. We mentioned to you if the video is to get, what, 15,000 likes, we were gonna come back and do this. The video surpassed that. I think it has like 17,000, 18,000 likes on it. So we're here. Smash the like button again. We got bread this time, and the bread is actually gonna be sinking. So instead of them having to come up and eat the food on the top, they're gonna automatically wanna go and get that food that's sinking. And that is the advantage we have here today. So, we got the GoPro on, got the main camera here. I'm gonna try to get the best clips I can of us catching one of these pacu. And the reason we're doing this, if you're curious, I have this enclosed pond in my backyard. I put them in when they were real small, tiny little pacu, probably 6-7 inches, and they're much bigger now. I'm trying to see how big they got. This is the only way. We pinched the barb on the hook, so the barb is pinched down, which means it's super easy to come right back out. And we got our piece of bread hooked on the end. Let's see it. That's a big piece, bro. Holy. I haven't seen any pacu yet. Let's let them come up. Lots of tilapia.
Oh yeah.
Lots of big tilapia. A little more cereal. The noise is what makes them come up. Remember the peacocks we put in here too.
Oh yeah. We might catch those today too. Who knows?
As you can see, a nice freshwater stream going right on into the pond. They're not as fired up right now. They like the afternoon, I won't lie.
Yeah.
But doesn't mean we can't do this.
We're gonna catch one.
No action, no action. Just let it sink out there, you know?
I'll let it sink. Is it on bottom already? Oh.
Probably gonna get torn up by a bunch of little tilapia. That was a little pacu action right there. Oh, dude, he ate it!
That's it!
You got him! You got him!
Oh my God.
You got him! You got him!
Big one too.
That was a little pacu action right there.
Oh baby.
Oh, dude, he ate it!
That's it! That's it! That's it! Oh my gosh, that's it! That's a big one too!
You got him! You got him!
Oh my God!
You got him!
No way!
I literally saw him come up, eat, and then he threw his bait and he came up and ate it again. Come on this way. You got him, Ryan. This is the moment of truth. We're gonna see how big these things got. I think you foul hooked him.
I did!
Oh no, it's just wrapped on his belly. Whoa! Oh! Pacu, baby!
Dude, that is so sick. Come over here.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully this cow does not get interested with all this splashing.
That's crazy, bro.
Here we go.
That's a good fight, too.
Oh
Sweep
my
him
God.
up.
Look.
Don't let him flop too much.
Yeah. Get up. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Let's show the teeth.
Look at that.
The teeth. Look at that piranha. Literally. That is awesome. A pacu out of the backyard pond. So as you can see, they got a lot bigger, and that's probably a smaller one.
Yeah.
But look at just the belly, the girth, how thick they got, how the tail's nice and thick. They're fed so well out here.
It's insane, bro.
So
what
cool.
a crazy fish, dude.
Awesome job, Ryan.
Oh my gosh. Check out the teeth on him. Guys, these fish eat nuts in the Amazon from South America, where they're originally from. and berries,
So cool.
and in this case,
Uh-oh.
some cereal and bread.
Uh-oh.
Oh God,
Uh-oh.
oh God.
Put him
Okay.
back in the water. All right, we got more time on our hands. Let's do it, Ryan.
That is insane, bro.
Watch how easy this hook comes out without a barb. It's like butter.
Look at that.
Like butter.
Look at his mouth, bro. He's like a little. That thing is just
Such a beautiful
crazy
fish,
looking,
man.
dude.
Want to make it as least stressful as we can
We're
for
gonna
this
lay
fish.
down in this poop real quick. What a gorgeous fish, man. Oh my God.
No hesitation.
Oh my God, dude. They grew so
did it.
much too, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I remember when you had them, bro. They were like that big, bro.
Ryan wanted to catch this, so I made sure he was the one to do it.
Woo.
We did it. That was the mission.
Success, dude.
That was the mission for today. That was a nice slimy
Oh yeah.
high five right there.
That was the good slime too, man.
And look how much bread we're left over with.
Let's go make some sandwiches.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now the coolest part is we can actually come back to this exact, obviously. I could come back, it's literally my house. We could do this exact thing a year from now and then see the growth difference. We should have brought a measuring tape and measured it, but we really didn't want to have the fish out of water for too long and we didn't have it on hand, so we didn't want to like go grab it, you know, this, that.
I say it was about like 20 inches, maybe
Yeah.
21 inches.
Yeah, probably about 20 inches.
Maybe like 5
There's
pounds.
a bigger one though. That was definitely one of the smaller ones.
No, the last time, remember we almost hooked that big one, dude.
So who knows, but I think this could be a really cool video to do in about a year from now. So if you want to see that, drop a like. This hits 20,000 likes. I'll make sure in about 364 days from now, we will do that. We survived the beast of a bowl.
Woo!
We did it, exactly what we came for.
Epic, man.
Hit the subscribe button if you're new. Make sure to like the video. Ryan's channel will be down in the description, and I'll see you next time. Peace out. Oh, and don't forget, Boots merch. It's available now, top link. Peace. Oh, and don't forget, meet and greet. Top link in the description. Peace.
Oh, and don't forget.
Peace.
Cuffaro, this is FWC. We're here to remove all your animals. Come out with your hands up, or else we will have to use force. We're going to destroy his house.